27 Willow Grange Place. Tucked away in a quiet cul-de-sac, this private home offers peace and convenience while still being close to local amenities. Come look inside and see what makes this home so special.
Neon lights shining with starlit skies, dancing till the sun come rise and shine. Everybody grab a friend, get your back up off the wall and join on it. We're gonna ooh.
Even if you had yourself a bad week, it's up to you. Turn these lemons into something so sweet.
Go ahead and move.
Let the rhythm move down to your feet. That's what we do. Look,
I'm in a good mood with good grooves, got good news.
Properties like this don't last long. Get in touch today to arrange a viewing.
Dance move.